Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and like I said in 2 videos ago, just got my wisdom teeth pulled, so ignore my, it kind of looks pudgy, ignore my face a little bit. Today we are going to pick up a piece of a puzzle for the new exhaust setup. The car currently has the factory performance exhaust on it, and I wanted to go muffler deletes. But in order to do that, I need a stock mid-pipe. The mid-pipe that's on the car is only used with that those performance mufflers. So we're gonna go pick up that mid-pipe. Found a guy local selling one for super cheap. If you can tell, we're currently in a rental car because I just dropped the STI off at the shop today to get that front end damage fixed. You guys saw that in the video I posted a couple days ago. But yeah, so that's at the shop right now getting fixed. I'm gonna go pick up this mid-pipe, show you guys that, and then I'll show you the muffler deletes as well, and then I'll kind of talk about, you know, the new exhaust setup that I'm wanting to do on the car, because in my opinion it's not loud enough. If you saw the revving and, you know, launch control, flybys, all that good stuff, it sounds kind of loud, but to me, you know, I don't think it's loud enough. It's not going to be full straight pipe. I do have a catted downpipe, so it's not going to be, you know, stupid ricer loud. But yeah, we're going to go pick up that mid-pipe, and I'll see you guys when we go get it. So it's the next day, and I wasn't able to finish the video yesterday. Had some stuff to do. But here is the mid-pipe. Ended up picking it up from a guy for $100. It is a WRX mid-pipe, and you can tell because it has no resonator. It came off of a 2018 WRX. The difference between the mid-pipe on the WRX and the STI is the resonator. STIs have a resonator, WRXs do not. So this is the mid-pipe. It's a stock mid-pipe, which is what I need to run these. So these are Nameless Performance Muffler Deletes, or axle backs, whatever you want to call it. They do not have mufflers, obviously, so it's basically just a straight pipe. And so the car is gonna be straight pipe from the downpipe back. Like I said, the downpipe has a cap, so it's not gonna be a complete straight pipe. That's not what I wanted. I wanted an STI mid-pipe just for the resonator, so it wasn't stupid loud, but in my area it was extremely difficult to even find just this. So we're gonna be running muffler deletes, no resonator, and a catted downpipe, and it's gonna be pretty loud. So hopefully it's not ricer loud. Hopefully it's, you know, got a good sound and everything. But this is gonna be the new setup. Just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of it. I picked up the muffler deletes for around 160 bucks. They're a little dirty, as you can tell. I may clean them up, I may not, depends, you know, if I want to, and as well as, you know, the mid-pipe. But you're not going to see anything but the tips, so I may just clean the tips. So 160 in the muffler deletes, which these things brand new are over 300 bucks, so I got a pretty good deal on them. And then 100 bucks for the mid-pipe. So all in all, I've got 260 in this new setup, which is less than the price of brand new muffler deletes, so I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, the car's in the shop right now. The bumper's getting fixed, so it's going to be all nice and new looking again. And then as soon as I get it back, we're gonna put this setup on and see how it compares to my current setup, which is the SPT or STP Performance exhaust from the factory. And yeah, this is gonna be much louder. I've wanted the car to be louder for quite some time now. I thought the downpipe was gonna do a pretty good job, but it actually didn't really change it that much just because it's catted. So this is gonna make it louder for sure. This is just a quick little update video showing you guys the new setup, and like I said, as soon as we get the car back, we're gonna throw all this stuff on. So catch you guys in the next video.